I remember when E85 was like 170, 190, $2 a gallon. Ain't bad. But now E85 is more than regular. Regular is $349. E85 is $389 if you use your card. It don't make no sense, man. Well, you wanna go fast, that's what you gotta get. The 335 I think is rear-wheel drive, MHD, manual 6-speed. So I think I got that one in the bag. I don't know yet because I don't know if people have upgrade turbo and stuff like this. But Q50, I don't know exactly what it has either. He said he's running E30, so I don't know. I know he's all-wheel drive, and I know those VR30s, the new ones with the twin turbos, be pushing. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what they can do. Shout yourself out, man.
Stay thirsty, my friend, on YouTube. That's the only thing I
got.
Got an IG now. No,
oh,
IG.
Okay. But yeah, man, yo, nice running to you, man.
Yes,
and this is from factory, right?
Yeah, everything's factory.
Yeah, man, my shit ain't got that.
I know.
I got the base of the base, man.
You good, bro?
Yo, nice running to you, though, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yo,
but don't sell your shit, man. You gotta keep it.
I'm already gonna sell it, bro.
Oh, you selling it already? You know?
I want to sell it. I kind of know what I'm gonna get. Yeah. I'm gonna get something, man. I'm gonna get something.
Bro. That's what's up, now.
Yo, nice meeting you, bro.
You too, likewise.
But honestly, the next build though, I don't care if it's less power. I'm gonna just run full E85, yo, because not for nothing, the mixing is too much. Sometimes the mixer be a little off though, drivetrain malfunction too. I'm gonna just tune for full E and call it a day, you know. M3s, the F80s, a lot of people tune on full E, everything like that. You actually get more power with like an E50 blend than full E, because the pumps can't take it. But it don't matter at this point. I don't care what the pumps can take. I'll upgrade the pumps as much as I could, but pumps can't take a full E mix, I probably just ain't gonna run it. Or I'll run a full E, but I don't know. I'm talking right now, I don't know. Alright, drill, chill. This car's so smart. It could tell when you change your tire. I'll close that. I gotta set it up and all that. I don't think that has anything to do with performance. I forgot. It's 46 degrees outside. They most likely switch to a winter blend. So beware of that. Because when the winter blend comes in, there's less ethanol content. So yeah, still good enough for me. I'm gonna run it at E45. If she blows, she blows. Nah, it should be good. When I have the E85 and I'm on a kill map and I'm driving around, like pushing it, when I come to a stop, red light or whatever it might be, I do notice there's some smoke coming out of the exhaust. At BMW do my oil changes. I have yet to do them myself. I don't really want to. And they put 020. 020 works for me. I think that the oil just might be a little too thin and it's blowing by maybe piston rings or blowing by the turbo seals. I'm not a professional, I don't know. But oil could be, in high boost oil could be blown by, which could be an answer for the oil consumption of these cars as well, because these cars in the Supras with the B58 motors tend to go through oil a little bit faster than the F chassis ones with a higher compression. A lot of people, I'm the only person I know on the planet Earth that tell people everything they got. Because I mean, I don't give a shit. I win or lose.
Yeah, Lawrence been down that quarter.
Ready? Running the Q50. See what he got. He said he got some goodies in there. I know he's on ethanol. I forget what else. Some custom map 6JB4. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So let me mount up the cameras. that footage, and I totally forgot to give you guys an outro. But before I let you guys go, I'll give you guys like a quick synopsis of like what I've gathered as far as data for these runs. Now I'm gonna try to get as many runs in as possible before I flip the car back to stock to give you guys some comparisons. So if you guys follow me on IG and you guys maybe want to do like a heads up or something with these cars, DM me down below. But you gotta be cool. No big crowds, no crazy, you know, oh, like all that shit talk and stuff like that. Not my thing. Just want some quick heads up thing. So DM me, maybe we can go for a run. I got from these cars is obviously mine would like traction control kick all the time in the beginning. So I would like catch them, keep catching them, which I think could be a little bit two things. One, I'm definitely faster, but two, I think he needs to hold his shifts a tad bit longer. I'm not exactly sure how the training shifts of his car or anything like that, but I noticed when he shifts gears is when it's like I'm really getting on him. Yeah, so notice that one thing. However, even if the transmission was shift like equally, I still think I got the like the advantage just because of how far ahead I had pulled. Round 2 spun a lot more, and then the car broke up, misfired. I don't have a flame tune. You guys know I don't have a flame tune, and flames were coming out the back. Car misfired. That's pretty much what happened. Third run was pretty good. I slowed down. Like after I get a certain distance, you know, this is not like, oh my God, I'm gonna bury you. I just start slowing down. It really doesn't make any sense to keep going, especially we're trying to get as much runs in as possible with the room that we have. So if I just like go crazy, it's like $160, all that road is now, I guess, I mean, we could turn around, but who wants to do all of that? We ran into a nice 335 too that pulled up, and I guess he wanted to go for some hits. So I slowed down, let the 335 get close enough, and then I nailed it. He got ahead of me a little bit, and I just finished him. But yeah, fun runs. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know I have not been filming a lot lately, but yeah, I've been tired of working a lot of hours at work. So, see you guys in some of the other videos.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.